Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to mute and unmute someone on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So for example, I want to mute this user, so I'm going to opening this profile, and after opening the profile, click on following and click on mute, and from here you can mute post and you can mute stories. And after muting, now let's see how to unmute. Click on your profile and click on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings, and now click on privacy and scroll down, and here you will get muted account option, and here you will find your all the muted accounts. To unmute any account, click above the account and click on following, and from here you can unmute. So this was how we can mute and unmute someone on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute. Thank you for watching.